future beneficiaries. Welcome to the channel, where we turn the complicated VA into military Barney-style transparency. This is Captain Blue Falcon. Fall in. Welcome to video number 5. In this video, we are going to go step by step on how to apply for benefits. If you're not sure what Chapter 33 GI Bill Post 911 is, or need more context, just check out video number 4 where I break it all down. So what does the process look like? Let's dive into it. The school or program you are attending would have a Veterans Resource Center, or VRC. They will give you a checklist of documents you have to submit, such as your DD-214, Form 22-1990, military transcripts, etc. The first step would be to submit Form 22-1990. Make sure is Form 22-1990 and not Form 22-1990E. That form is if you want to transfer your GI Bill Chapter 33. More on that in another video. The link will be provided under this video. Once the form has been received by your regional office, depending on your location, you'll receive a Certificate of Eligibility, also known by its abbreviation COE. That certificate indicates that you have been approved to receive Chapter 33 benefits. Make sure you start early, since the process can take up to 45 days. Don't forget, if you are not sure what school or program you want to attend yet, you can still submit Form 22-1990 in order to get your COE. The comparison tool. The comparison tool is the best way to find out how much the GI Bill is going to cover. You'll find how much basic allowance for housing, or BAH, you'll get each first of the month. The VA makes this decision based on the basic cost of living on the city and state the main campus is located. Here you can see individual schools by typing the school that you are interested in. See how much Chapter 33 pays for BAH, and even how many veterans are attending that school. If you are not sure what school or program to attend, you can also search your city and see all the approved schools and programs that are approved by the VA that you can choose from. The link would be provided under this video. How to apply for benefits? You can apply via mail, fax, or online. The faster way would be online. The link will also be provided under this video. Go to the link. Press how to apply. Fill out information. Once you hit apply now, you get this step-by-step page that will guide you through the process. Don't forget, you need to create a VA account. If you don't know how to create a VA account, stand by for a future video on how to make a va.gov account. Remember to email me in case you have any questions about information mentioned in this video. Captain Blue Falcon's email will be provided in the description section below, and so will other links. Well, that's it for today. Remember to stay informed. Captain Blue Falcon out.